Hello everyone, my name is Marcos from Spotahome and today I'm gonna show you a 5-bedroom apartment in Canary Street. What to say about the area? It's like 10 minutes by bus to Canary Wharf with all the nervous and the stress, but this house is located in a residential area. And what does it mean? That it has a lot of supermarkets around, like big supermarket, big companies, but it has as well like small shops to buy your day-to-day things. So if you follow me, I will show you your future house.
Okay, so let's start. I will show you first the entrance of the flat, because it's in a ground floor, so you have to go upstairs, and after you find here, that would be your private entrance. You have this place to rest before coming inside your home. Let's close the door, and what we find first on the right is the kitchen. In this lower floor we have one toilet, 2 rooms, and the kitchen. So if we start with the kitchen, we see that we find a dining table where you can meet with your friends, have your chattings in here, a huge fridge, a sink, washing machine, oven, a stove, and in this place there would be a dryer, because they are renovating the house, they are painting everything, and they still didn't get all the utilities. But from Spotahome we promise you that when you will be here, everything will be totally furnished. So wardrobes in here to storage. Yeah, let's open this one. Some glasses over here. Yeah, everything. Microwave. Nice. Okay. Let's continue in here to not miss a bathroom. That's the bathroom that I told you that is on the lower floor. Upstairs we will have another complete bathroom with shower as well. If we continue this way, we have here a huge place behind the stairs where you can storage your things. When you will be living here, you can organize it as you want. And 2 bedrooms in here. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2. In the bedroom 1, it's a single room with a single bed and with a standalone wardrobe. It has independent key, a small chest of drawers, and what is best is the only room in the house with private door to the terrace. So there is the only place to go to the terrace is from this room, which is nice for you, not nice for your flatmates. But you can organize yourself as you want. Let's show it like that, but there's no much to show. And don't forget the wardrobe in there. We go with bedroom 2. Let's go like this. That's bigger. That's for couple with a double bed. A table in there. Parquet floor, which I personally like it really a lot. Storage, standalone wardrobe and chest of drawers in here. And as I told you before, everything is newly renovated and painted with independent key as well. And let's go upstairs to see what we find in the upper floor. So here we are, already on the upper floor, thanks to the magic of the video edition. And I will show you first a general view. We have bedroom 3, bedroom 4, 3 built-in wardrobes, bedroom 5 over there, and a bathroom there. So if we start with the bedroom 3, we find as well a single room with a standalone wardrobe, views to a really quiet street, and yeah, chest of drawers over here. Cool. The same like in the lower floor, not much to show. Now it comes your imagination to decorate it with your taste. So let's go now with bedroom 4. I would say the second biggest room on the house. It's really long room. It's longer than wider, with a huge standalone wardrobe with 2 different parts. So we have this door in here and that door over there. Private sofa for you and double bed. It's a room full of opportunities to create your home in here. Really big, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Very big, yeah, with independent key as well for you. And if we continue, yeah, as I told you, we have 3 built-in wardrobes. Personally, I like it to put the shoes for example, or the luggage, or in summer you can put the winter clothes, and in winter you can put the summer clothes, but that's up to you. And we come here and we find the last room of the house, bedroom 5. Slightly smaller than the previous one, but big still, with a double bed, views to a pedestrian street, so no cars over there, and standalone wardrobe that I'm gonna open. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that's technology. So yeah, 2 parts, this one and that one. And after all, if you follow me, I will show you the last part of the house, that is the bathroom, with the shower included, of course, and the toilet. So really wide, very clean and renovated, with a sink, a toilet, and a shower